Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about creating your Project Lead the Way account for your online tech book. So first thing I'm going to need you to do is go to my.pltw.org. Once at that link, you're going to select the Create Student Account. You'll see that the second blue button down there underneath Create Editor Account or Educator Account. You'll see Create Student Account. Once you've clicked there, it's going to ask you to enter a student nickname. You're going to make sure that it includes your first name. Then as you go on, you want to make sure that you fill out all the data about yourself correctly. You may want to pause here before going on to the next step. Make sure to log in after that step with your newly created username and password. Lastly, you're going to select Join a New Class and use the code on your Canvas page to enter and join the class.